Today we're making the best buttery and sweet kettle corn with just 4 ingredients. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Keep your popcorn free of PFAs by making your own at home. This buttery, rich, and sweet kettle corn is so good, you guys. Let me show you how to make it. Start by adding 57 grams of coconut oil and 3 popcorn kernels to a large pot with a lid. Put over medium heat and cover with the lid. Wait for the kernels to pop. As soon as you hear these kernels pop, then you can add in the remaining 142 grams of popcorn kernels. Then cover with the lid. Heat the kernels for 1 minute and then add 113 grams of cane sugar. Just sprinkle it right on top of the kernels and cover with the lid again. Make sure to swirl around the kernels and shake the pot to ensure the popcorn kernels come to the top and the unpopped kernels sink to the bottom so they have the chance to pop and nothing burns. Once the popping slows to 1 second between pops, remove the pot from the heat. Sprinkle with sea salt to your liking and then it's ready to enjoy. I hope you love this organic kettle corn that is so much better than store-bought. If you want more organic snack recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.